Hey everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to add evolution card in Clash Royale. So without any further ado, let's get started. You need to reach King level 7 or higher to unlock evolutions. Earn evolution shards from the season pass, daily tasks or events. These are needed to unlock evolved version of cards. Not all cards can evolve. Go to your card collection and look for the card with the purple lightning icon. Those are eligible for evolution. Select an eligible card and tap on the evolution option. Spend the required evolution shards to unlock it. Once unlocked, simply add the evolved version of the card to your battle deck. It will function like a normal card but will evolve automatically after a set number of plays or condition in battle. Play the card during the matches and it will evolve after activation. The evolved version is stronger and has special abilities. And that's how you can add evolution card in Clash Royale.